Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Token Trackers, and in this particular video we are quickly going to discuss something about the UN, that is the Unich token. You know, they have their token called the UN, and as I'm talking to you, people are making thousands upon thousands of dollars on the Blum Memepad. So they have just listed a token on the Memepad, and I'm quickly going to show you how to purchase that token. This is not a financial advice, it is just I will just leave it open to you. Make sure that you do your own research, and then if it is worth investing into it, you can go ahead and do that. But as you can see right here, I just deposited about $30 few minutes ago, and it's not up to 3 minutes ago, and I have already made about $3 right here. So I'm quickly going to show you how you can purchase it, and it's very simple. So the first thing you have to do is head over to your exchange. It can be Bybit, it can be Gates.io, it can be any exchange. Make sure that you buy some tone. Make sure you buy tone. If you have USDT there, you can buy tone and then send to your tone keeper. This is my tone keeper right now. So I just try to send, let me just refresh it. Purchase your tone and send to your tone keeper. It is going to be like this. So you can see this is where my tone keeper is right here. This is the token I've purchased, and then you can see this is the worth of it, this is the value of it right here. Now look at it. I just sent about 3.8 tone right here, which is worth $12. I want to show you. So all you have to do is, you know, the Blum Memepad, that is the same Blum that you were participating in. Now let me this is Blum. It is the same Blum that we participated in as an airdrop. So launch it. Once you launch it, just wait for it to load, and then remember you have already sent your tone to your tone keeper. It is already there waiting for you. So once you head over to it, you are going to come over to this trade. You see this trade, click on it. So once you click on it, you are going to see Memepad. You see Memepad, click on that. So once you click on the Memepad like this, your own may give you an option to connect your wallet, but I have already connected my wallet. So you can see, look at this now. People are buying coins here right now as I'm talking to you. Now, if your own shows you the option to connect your wallet, so just go ahead, click on it. It is going to take you to give you the option to either you connect to your Telegram or your tone keeper. Choose tone keeper, then connect your tone keeper. You know how we used to connect wallets to our mining bots on Telegram. So once you have connected, just come back. You see this search button here, click on it, and then you are going to paste this contract address I'm showing you now. Paste it. I'm going to leave it in the comment section and also in the description section so that you can paste it. So once you paste it, guys, see the token is going to appear like this. You see it now. This coin just launched about 4 hours ago, and the market cap is already about $14.2K. When my boss who is blockchain sage, let me mention his name, let me give him the credit. That guy is a wonderful guy, and he is the one that actually he has been talking about this project, this particular coin for some days now, and then this evening he just dropped the contract address. So you see now, as I'm talking to you, the market cap is growing. You see that as I'm still talking to you, is growing. So it was listed about 4 hours 6 minutes ago. This is the market cap, and you can see that these are the holders right here. 130 is still early, so you can still buy it, guys. And this is the trading volume right here. So it's as simple as that. And then once you come over here, you can see that you can buy, you can buy, and then you can sell. So you can quickly make your money here and still sell it, buy and sell it, and still make your cool cash, guys. It's very simple. Now once you have connected your wallet, you are going to come over, click on buy. So you want to buy. You see I have about 3.8 tone. So once you come over here, you see I'm just going to go ahead and impute 3.8. Let me impute 3.8. You see that they say not enough, so I've impute more than because they are going to charge transaction fee. Let me impute 3.7. so you can see now I'm going to they are going to it is going to cost me 3.7. so click on buy UN. So once you click on it now, it is going to take you back to that tone keeper for you to confirm the transaction that you want to pay your tone to buy. You see I just confirmed that sliding now. So the next thing is to input your password, that is if you have. So I just imputed my password, and then you can see it is going to load up and give me the option to go back to my Telegram. So let me go back to my Telegram now. So once I head back to my Telegram now, you see that the buy option is loading. You see now success, buy UN for 3.7 tone. So you see what I just bought, guys. Look at this, it's still pumping. This is massive. So now once you have done that, let me come back to the wallet section now, guys. Jesus. So let's just refresh. So I spent $30 and I've spent another $12. So if you add the two now, that will be $42. And you can see now my balance is now $45.9. So let me just say 46 now means that I've made $4 profit since I purchased this token. So guys, it is still early and I feel that you can still log in, you can still enter. Look at it, as I'm talking, it's still pumping. I've already made 11% profit right now, so it's still cool. Make sure that you hop in now, guys. Back this.